Nearly every vehicle on the market is equipped with CV axles from the manufacturer. Over time, CV axles wear out, and if they're not replaced when the joint starts to fail, it can result in a dangerous driving situation. Keep in mind, replacing the entire CV axle is the most cost-effective solution compared to servicing the original CV joint. The CV axles on your vehicle are responsible for connecting your vehicle's drivetrain and power to the wheels. These types of axles are constantly in motion, which means they wear out over time. We suggest replacing both CV axles at the same time, because if one is worn out, the other is likely close behind. At GSP, we're dedicated to supplying you with new, high-quality parts to keep your vehicle safely on the road. There are many signs that your CV axles need to be replaced. These include clicking sounds when turning, excessive wheel and steering vibrations, and grease being present on wheels or suspension components. Once you've determined your vehicle's CV axles are worn, finding new, high-quality replacement axles is the next step. Every GSP axle shaft and CV joint go through extensive inspections and tests to ensure that your new parts have a long, trouble-free service life. GSP's manufacturing process certification and industry-leading cataloging ensures a proper fit right out of the box. Most GSP CV axles come standard with an ABS ring. This ensures your ABS functions correctly. If your vehicle does not have ABS, you may leave the ring in place or remove it if it interferes with your installation. The ring may be removed from the axle with a hammer and a flathead screwdriver. During installation of your new CV axle, ensure the axle is fully engaged into the slide gear by listening or feeling the circlip engagement, which should give a faint but audible click sound. To make sure your axle is properly in place, give it a minor tug to make sure it's not going anywhere. Our axles use stainless steel clamps, premium-grade neoprene boots, and specially formulated moly grease for optimum performance. And because we use Silent Ride technology, our axles deliver a quiet ride and consistent performance like an OEM axle. With any installation, you should always follow factory torque specs and procedures using a properly calibrated torque wrench. And never use an impact wrench to install your axles, as this can lead to premature wear, damage, or failure of your new CV axle. Now you know a little bit more about your vehicle and the job your CV axles serve. Check out gspnorthamerica.com for more information and to order a new, high-quality set of CV axles for your vehicle.